Good morning, it is ClayTrader, and this will be my typical live trading here. I'm going to try to catch some trades maybe on Twitter today. They had earnings out, so it's one of those things where it should be volatile. You can see all sorts of volume already, so that's what I'm banking on. So I will keep you updated on Twitter and whatever other stocks come up across the scanners. Going to short here at 38.20 on Twitter here. See if it can bounce up there. Went up as high as 38.18, so I was just a couple pennies wrong, and now you can see the pullback here. We'll see if it goes back up there, but that's where my first order is right now, 38.20 to go short. Okay, I have an order in the short here at 37.95. Reason being, it could still keep going up. So I have that, but I like the it could also very easily just roll over here. So on that note, that's what I'm looking for. So to cover at 37.90 to go for my typical 5-cent move here. Like I said, it could still go up there, and that's fine. I still like the entry point either way, because it's one of these where it could really kind of roll over and go either way. So we'll see what happens with it. Again, trying to cover here at 37.90. So now it's looking like it may go the other way here. So we'll have to build a bigger position here. Still plenty of capital left. So just got to try to gauge what sort of upwards move this has. So you can see making a pretty big move. So I'll go for some more short at 38.25. I'm in there. So now my average is 38.10. Might try to go for some more at 38.25. And I am now out completely for $146.50. Hopefully you saw how that all worked, and should have held on to a little bit more, although I am speaking in hindsight. But you saw me bounce up here, and now it's starting to roll back over like I thought. But the plan was, I hate hindsight. Hate hindsight. Keep in mind I had 32,000 shares at 38.10. Oh, I hate science. But anyways, I stuck to the plan. That was my plan. I executed it. Still made $146 in, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm not going to complain about that. I'll try to catch some more trades, but I'm not going to lie. If you've watched my other videos, you've heard me say this is kind of like a video diary where I just voice my feelings. This is pretty frustrating right now. This kind of hurts, but this wasn't the plan. I wasn't playing for a longer term move. I was just playing for, to capture. And, I still made some nice money on my shares. But obviously I would have made a lot more. So I'll try to catch some more. Just to update things, totally did it. So the power of charts, again, wasn't my plan. So, that's just basic trading. You got to plan the trade and then follow your plan. But, charting just shows the power. I mean, you heard me talk my way through it. Totally rolled over, and boy, oh boy, would that been a huge score. So I just took the wrong plan there. Well, not the wrong plan, because it was still a profitable one, but just that happens. Sometimes you have one plan and then another potential plan that you could have gone down works out better. So I chose the right path. I just didn't choose the most profitable path in terms of plans. So hope that makes sense. But just trying to teach you guys something too about emotion and planning as you go into things. You got to plan, and you got to follow the plan. Because one of these times you may change the plan or whatever, and things can really backfire on you. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to try to catch some more. Let's see what happens. Looking to go short at 37.75. I got 700 shares. Darn it. All right, so I'll just go with 700. Look to cover those at 65. You can see my order highlighted right there at 65. So I am out for, what was that, $7 a share, 9, so $63 I made there. Would have been much better if I'd gotten the 1,000 shares that I wanted, but only got 700. I'll try to catch some more. Going for some shares at 57.51. Oh, how low did it go? 57.53. Darn it. All right, well, it looks like I missed out on that entry point by a couple pennies. So I'm just going to cancel that order. I will keep you updated. Going for a short here at 57.85. I am in. Now looking to cover at 57.80. Looks like we got somewhat of a decent sized move here. So I'll probably have to potentially short some more to build a position. But this candle is pretty big, and it's been kind of jumping around all over the place. So still feel good about the 57.85 entry point. Let's see how it goes on this pullback here. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. My wife came downstairs and had to ask me something, and just in time. And I'm out at 57.80, so a $50 score there. Clearly wasn't the best entry, but it was at least to get me a profitable trade. So let's see if I can trade this again. Went up as high, looking at the 5 minute. Yeah, I'd be willing to do that. Let's see. If it can get up there and hit, why don't I just make it 58? I'll be willing to start to build a new position there. So let's see what happens if it can get up there or not. I will keep you posted. Looking to go short here at 58.09. Now looking to cover at 58. Well, that wasn't the best entry point. That was based off the 5 minute, but it just really ran up there. So, but as fast as it moved up, you know, this can move just as fast back down. Let's see how far it goes on this pullback here. I'm going to change my order to just cover at, well, we'll see how it goes. I'll look to cover right around 58.06. But if it wants to pull back some more, let's see if it can go down. So there we go, 58.02 I got out at, so it was at another $70. So now 122 on Facebook. And could have gotten my 58 and probably a little bit more there, but that's all right. I'll take that. You can see here just what this is, the black boxes here. You know, they just shoved the price way up there. All those supercomputers, a bunch of algorithms went off, shoved the price way up there. Just no reason for that to happen. And things corrected itself, so that's what I capitalized on. You know, the little correction right there. I'll try to catch one more trade here. Looking to go short here at 58.30. If it can get up there. Okay, I'm in. Now looking to cover at 58.25. Again, if I need to short some more, I will, but you know, you can see here now, very overextended move. There's going to be some sort of pullback coming at some point, so that's why if I need to build a bigger position, I have no problem doing that. Try another 1,000 up here at 45. Okay, I'm in, so my average is 58.37. So let's see if the 40s can fall back down and bring me back down below my average. You can see it just continues to get more and more overextended up here. Still have more capital. Let's see how high, at 55. So if I could get some up at 55, that would be nice. Average is still at 37. So these 40s here need to fall, being a little bit stubborn there. Okay, I'm in with for another 1,000. My average now is at 43. And if I need to short some more, I will, but this move has got to be taking a chill pill here at some point. Try to cover some at 58.40 if it goes back down there. All right, this video is just at 10 minutes, so I'm going to pause it here, and if it looks like I'm going to get filled, I will let you know. Okay, we're getting a nice candle up there. So actually, I'm going to look to cover my first at 37, then cover some more at 36, and then we'll see what happens with the remainder of the position. You can see 40 is really acting as support. Okay, all those are out. And I am totally out. Let's see, flat, yep. So now I'm up 342. As you saw, just build a position into this severely overextended move. And then, you know, had pulled a nice profit from it. Had my average up to 58.42. I think that's what it was. So I started to cover there at 37, 36, and then 35. So nice trade. Got me up to 342. It is 10:20. So let's see, what is that? 50 minutes into the day. I'm up 558 on the day. So a good opening session here. I'm going to end it. If you like what you saw here and, you know, find this kind of trading interesting, this kind of trading being defined as using charts, not necessarily, you know, day trading like I am here. These are technical charts and they can be used for swing trading, much longer term time frames, different strategies. Like I said, I'm just using them for day trading here. But if you're interested in learning those, I do have courses on that. If you go to ClayTrader.com, that's my blog, or you can click in the videos below the video. Also have a trading group where I send out a weekly newsletter. We have a live chat room where you can hang out with me and other traders during the day. That's very cost effective too, so I'd encourage you to check those things out. So again, thanks for listening. Hopefully you learned something, and I will see you soon.